guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have a navy haul. So everyone seems to really like these tools and I wanted to give them a try because I've been really trying to concentrate on my nail prep, and I'm trying to do more by hand versus an e-file because I'm just trying to be a little bit more gentle on my nails. So all I did was open the package and this is how it came. Okay, making sure, cute, little card, little coupon there because it took a little bit of time. I ordered in January and today is April 30th and I just got it. So January, so 4 months. So they sent a buffer because I obviously did not order that. I think this is biscotti, like, you know, when you get on airplanes. And then these are the goodies. So I didn't order too many because I wasn't quite sure how I would like them, and I only do my nails, so I only ordered one of each that I thought I would like. So this one, that has some weight to it. I don't remember the names. I'm gonna have got it. This is what's really going to get the cuticle off your nail plate, and that is pretty sharp. Yeah, that's not gonna be nice. And then next one, I think that they now have, got it a little bit faster this time, a tool that is essentially these two combined. So you have like your pusher and then you have your nail scraper, and I would probably get that one. I don't think it was out when I had ordered. I think it's a newer tool. So this is your cuticle pusher. Did I need like a $50 cuticle pusher? Probably not, but it is gold. Or brass, I should say. So this is to push. Oh, that's actually pretty nice. Okay, we'll have to see. We'll see if it's worth the hype when I actually do some prep with it. And then this guy I'm really excited about. So I don't know if you guys caught my live. When I prep my nails, again, I've been trying to do it more by hand. So when I am using something like this is the one I have off Amazon. So you have your flat edge here, just like this tool, and then you have your pusher just like this tool. But I really wanted this guy because this is a little scooper. Not quite, yeah, there you go. So when you are done, you literally come in there and scoop out all the cuticle that you have on your nail. Like literally gets in there and scoops it out. I'm like really excited for that because that I find, like I will dust off my nails with just this brush so you can see there's like dust on it. And then I come in with alcohol, or I should say it's probably cleanser, so there's a little bit of acetone, and I will rub it off, but sometimes there's just stuff up in there, and I think that is really going to make a difference for me personally in my prep. So these are the three that I got. Again, I spent quite a bit of money. All right, first I'm going to use a 5-in-1 bit. I believe this was fine to extra coarse. It's like it just gradually gets more coarse towards the end, and it's really good to keep it gentle up towards that cuticle area where you don't want massive amount of product to come on. And what I do is I take it all the way down as close as I can to my natural nails if I'm doing a full changing set. If not, then I will just rough it up and take a little bit off, get any lifting that I had, and I just kind of work my way around, and then I brush off my nails, and I usually grab a nail file and refine any of the shapes that I'm going to do. And this one is short square. Then I'm going to wipe off the dust because there is a lot, especially when you're taking down your nails quite a bit. And then I'm also going to use that scrubby brush to get anything else that's left over there because I want a clean slate for doing the prep. So now I'm going to push back the cuticles. Again, I will have all the names below because I can't remember off the top of my head. So I'm just gonna link it below. And you saw it earlier in the video. So just pushing this back, what I like about this specific cuticle pusher is the edge where it's kind of domed over. So the edge that is actually touching your nails is not sharp, but it has kind of a flat edge. So it really pushes your skin back. Again, you do not need a $50 cuticle pusher, but I do really like this one, I'll be honest. No, I feel like this is Ethel or Martha. I feel like this is Ethel. I think the first one is Martha and this is Ethel. Now this guy is sharp. Please let me repeat that again. He is sharp, or she, however you want to do it. And I have this very, very parallel to my nail. And I am getting any product that I have left on my nail that is towards that cuticle area. So I'm taking all that cuticle off my nail, and you can see I rotate the tool to what I want to get off. So if I'm trying to scrape down the side of my nail, I usually will push from the front or the back depending on where I'm getting most of the tension. So if I feel tension, that's when I know that I've essentially hit the jackpot. So again, I'm gonna repeat this process. You can see I am very, very flat, and this guy pushes quite a bit off that nail. So I like to rotate my hand quite a bit because if you leave it in one spot, you could end up missing some. So rotate your hand, rotate your tool, really just get in there. And remember, it is very sharp. I did cut myself the first time I used it because I underestimated how sharp this is. It is the middle of September and I got this in April, so yeah, I've used it a couple times. This is a hidden gem. I know that sounds dramatic. Do you need to spend $50 on this? I don't know. They may have ones that are not $50, but I recommend you get a scooper of some kind, because that is so satisfying to pull that out. And if there's any part that's stuck to it, again, it kind of has like that scoop, but also flat, so you can actually get some of that off. So once I do that, I like to wipe off the nails with a lint-free wiper. I say lint-free in quotes, and then that will get most of the debris off that is actually loose on there. If there's anything still kind of stuck in there, I will, you know, really get in there, and then I will take that brush across all my nails, and then I will buff the nails, or essentially remove the shine. You could do it by e-file. I also use a little e-file bit that I've used for probably the last 3 or 4 years. I've used that. You can use a sanding band, or you can use a buffer, however you want to go about it. I like using a buffer or that kind of little cuticle e-file bit, because I feel like that gives me the cleanest look. And yeah, I don't trim my cuticles, I just push them back. So this is all prepped. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.